Hey guys, Justin here, American Pool & Spa, Richmond, Kentucky. As you guys can see, I'm here in Atlantic City. We're at the Pool & Spa Expo show. We're really excited. We got a group of our guys here. We got 6 of us. Darren, John, Brian, Steven, Cody, all of us. We're here to have a lot of fun and a lot of learning. Hopefully also stay out of trouble. But this event is really cool. It's a 4-day event. There's 11,000 attendees that show up here. What this is for us is a lot of continuing education. So a lot of our guys are right now in classes. So we can do anything from business to service techs, anything with pool and spa related. It's really great for us to learn, be able to be more efficient and better in our business, as well as try to grow our business. So we're really excited about this show. It's really great. We're going to take you guys inside. We're going to show you guys a lot of distributors, a lot of neat things. So we're really excited. Stay tuned and check it out.
Yeah,
hey, y'all, man, good to see y'all. Yeah. I didn't think you all were coming. I asked Felix.
We're here every year.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you all were, and I asked.
3 hours for us to get here.
That's why. Okay.
So
that's nothing.
We just drive.
I figured you all might have been on trip or something. Who all came with you guys?
We got like 10 of us.
Yeah.
Nice.
Really?
Yeah.
No install guys, right?
We're in here somewhere.
Yeah.
So
running around.
Is the wife with you?
Yeah.
Oh, good deal.
We learned a long time ago.
Yeah.
The bus sucks.
Well, good seeing you, man.
You too, man.
We'll see you all around.
Good seeing you guys.
Take care, buddy.
I wanted to figure it out, and then they also had on what to do on each one.
No,
what glue and all that
really
stuff.
Do y'all sell through distribution?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not through in-store, right?
I think we're starting to.
They're in
California.
California.
Well, I'm out of Tennessee. This is where we manufacture.
Whereabouts?
Memphis.
I'm from Chattanooga. Been to Memphis many times.
It's some great questions. So,
He's saying this was the biggest. Don't use primer on flex.
well, it's certain. Like I said, like you have primer or flex, you can do all sorts of different.
Yeah.
Stuff. And see, with the flex manufacturers, a lot of times, who knows where you're getting that flex from? It can be from a foreign country or something.
Yeah.
No regulations.
There's no truth to the primer breaking down the composition of the pipe to allow the glue to have a better adhesion on it.
No, this is flex, not rigid.
It doesn't do the same to flex or rigid.
Well, rigid doesn't have the flexibility. See, a rigid is more 90 and stuff like that, so it's not going to run crazy, and it'll pull up, and you're not going to get the.
So if it's going to eat through the pipe, how quickly would it do it? Yes.
Yeah.
How quickly would it do it?
Who knows?
But I might just leave a weak spot. I might not go all the way.
Yeah, but I'm just saying that could be a.
Well, here's the question on a pool. If you recommending with your glue, anything doesn't matter. Just perfect pool. You do rigid or flex pipe? Just answer it honestly. What would you rather have plumbing on your pool? Rigid?
Rigid.
What is this?
So this is an app. So we are an interactive touchscreen app. We also do kiosks like this. So for retail, the customer would walk in, they'd be able to look at all.
So we get this display set up. This is what you're doing.
Yep.
Cool. So this is what we've been talking about and looking at.
It's personalized to the point.
Sorry, continue. I'm
You can
sorry.
help yourself to look around. So the customer would actually be able to come in, look at your product, and be able to go wherever it is in the store. It'll tell them exactly where it is. Yeah, it's very customizable, so you can put like whatever you want on there.
How does this work though? So is this a software on the back end that we get into?